Hi, this is Jay from Florida. Welcome to AmsterdamVideo.com.
The stars over Amsterdam.
Good morning, guys. It's early in the Friday morning and I'm on my way to the hospital. Not because I'm ill or something, but because of work I have to do an emergency repair to a UPS. Yep, I'm into UPSs now as well. So yeah, they have a medical UPS that's in need of a new battery because the old one is failing, and they need to start doing surgery at 10 a.m. again. So I'm well ahead of time. It's like 7:30 in the morning right now, which should give me sufficient time to replace that battery for a new one. And there we are. Amsterdam UMC, University Medical Center, or something like that. Alright, new battery pack and the UPS to put it in. It's just a small one. The old one is a grey one. Anyway, out with the old, in with the new. All done. So now, coffee. Yes, all functional. Alright, that's been taken care of and the customer is happy. So job well done. Now back to the office. Made it back to the car and just under 2 hours of parking sets, in this case my employer, back €7. Crazy. Using a parking garage near a hospital as a cash cow. Oh, Amsterdam, you're ridiculous. Alright, bye now, AMC, VuMC, UMC, whatchamacall MC. Hey Thor, buddy. What's up, buddy? On the lookout. Tori Barry. Yay. Lunch break. Time for a nice cappuccino to go. Kampai. Oh crap. It's that dreaded time again. iPad surgery. How much I hate this.
346 minutes later.
Mahlzeit. Alrighty, after a late office dinner, it's now time to get out of here and get back to HQ. Time for movie and beer. Kampai, guys. This day has come to an end. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you again in the next one. Hey, cheerio.